guys, Jamie Jo here from Jamie Jo Sells Wax. I have a fragrance company that specializes in selling Scentsy fragrance products, and I've been doing that for over 14 years now, since all the way back in 2008. I am so excited to come to you guys today, especially those of you who are animal lovers, because I have something so special to share with you guys. Scentsy has released a Woof box. A Woof box, yes, you heard me correctly. Now, normally we have a Whiff box for us peoples, but this month Scentsy brought out the Woof box, which is a collection of Scentsy products just for your furry friend. Most popular for dogs, but some of the products can be used on cats as well. So let's talk about what a Whiff box and a Woof box are, and then we're gonna take a peek inside to see what you get in the Woof box for this month. Now, Scentsy has been doing a Whiff box for quite some time. What is a Whiff box? A Whiff box is simply a surprise that comes to you either when you order it, like just one-off ordering, you can order it any month, or you can set it up as a subscription to come to you every month, every other month, or every third month in your Scentsy club. Now, the Whiff box and the Woof box in this case are always priced more affordably. Well, even all the products are affordable. They are priced lower than the actual cost of the items inside the box. It's always a surprise. You never know what you're gonna get. But this month specifically, we're talking about the Woof box. Now, Scentsy had the Scentsy pet line for quite some time. Last catalog transition, they decided to remove it from the catalog full time, but they promised us that it would not be the last time that we were seeing the products. And they were right, because we're just 2 months away from that discontinuing of that product line, and they have brought out something even better than ever. So let's jump right into the Woof box. Now, they didn't change the box. It still says Woof box. And honestly, I'm gonna make a little confession here. I didn't purchase the Woof box because I don't have a dog. And the products would just sit in my closet and I wouldn't use them. But I did have the pet products from when we did sell them in the normal product line. So I am going to show you the bottles of actually discontinued fragrances, but you're still gonna get an idea of the bottle size and what the product is. So the Woof box contains our 3 Scentsy pet products plus 2 little extras. I only have 1 extra in here, but you will get 2 little extras in your box. Let's start with the favorite of all of my customers and pet lovers alike. This is Best Bud Suds. That is quite the tongue twister. Best Bud Suds. Now, this is a pet shampoo. This is safe to use on dogs and cats. And when you purchase the Woof box, you are going to get this in a brand new fragrance that had never been released before in Black Raspberry Vanilla. So, so, so yummy. Now, since we have never had the pet line in Black Raspberry Vanilla, let's talk for a second about that fragrance. I grabbed a bar of it, and this is our top selling Scentsy fragrance bar of all time, like forever and ever and ever and ever. Black Raspberry Vanilla. Obviously, there's some Black Raspberry Vanilla in it, but let's look at Scentsy's actual description. It says, delicious, sun-sweetened dark berries warmed with vanilla. This fragrance is so good because it has so many different characteristics. The dark berries remind me, it is raspberry, but it reminds me almost of a mulberry, that deep, gosh, I can't even think of all the words. Just that deep berry fragrance. It's warm and it's deep, but then You have the lightness of the vanilla that kind of tames down that really deep berry scent. I think this is gonna be super fun in a pet fragrance, especially for springtime right now. I've smelled some pretty stinky dogs in my life, and I would be in heaven if I ran up to love on a furry friend that smelled like this black raspberry vanilla. So that is going to be so, so, so yummy. Like I said, this is safe to use on dogs and cats. I will tell you, I have a cat. He just turned, I don't remember if it was 3 or 4. His birthday was just a few days ago. I have to look back at the pictures of when he was a baby. I've never given him a bath. I don't know that I want to attempt to give him a bath, but if I needed to, this product would be completely safe to use on my little furry friend named Squirt. So let's talk about what else comes in this Woof box. The next thing that comes in it is Freshen Up Pup, which is a dog deodorizing spray. Now I call this doggy perfume. Like I said, I do not have a dog. I have had a dog before, and I grew up with dogs in my parents' home and in both of my grandparents' homes. And I remember when I was a little girl, my paternal grandmother, we called her BB, she had this aerosol spray bottle of puppy perfume that she would she would chase her poor little dachshund named Abby, trying to squirt Abby with the doggy perfume because she stunk so bad. But this is not an aerosol, it's just an easy pump spray. So I have a feeling that Abby might have tolerated this a little bit more than the sound of the aerosol can. Now, in the Woof box, you are going to get this Freshen Up Pup also in that black raspberry vanilla fragrance. So you pair the Best Bud shampoo, Best Bud Suds shampoo with the Freshen Up Pup, and your puppy dog is gonna be smelling amazing. One more product coming in this box, and that is No Knot Spot, which is a dog detangling spray. Now this, from what I hear, I have a friend with a Labradoodle, gorgeous, gorgeous Labradoodle dog. She swears by this No Knot Spot. She sprays it on her little furry friend and is able to brush through his fur when normally nothing else would work. Now, friends, let me tell you a little something about this No Knot Spot. I do not have children living in my home anymore, but I have several friends that do. I have a lot of friends that sell Scentsy too. And many of them, in a pinch, when they were out of detangling spray for their little girl's hair, have grabbed the No Knot Spot detangling spray, and they swear by it. They say it's like the best detangler that they've ever used. And the great thing is, of course, it smells wonderful. You're gonna get this No Knot Spot also in that black raspberry vanilla fragrance. So you're gonna get 3 full-size products. Best Bud Suds, this is valued at $15. You're gonna get the Freshen Up Pup, valued at $10. You're going to get the No Knot Spot, valued at $10. So altogether, that is a $35 value, but this Woof box is only $30. So already you're saving $5 on the products right here, but I told you there's 2 more little goodies in the box. You are going to get a packet. Now this is a packet of dish soap, but I just grabbed it because it's gonna be about the same size. A packet of the Best Bud Suds, which is the shampoo, in honey and chamomile. That I think would be great to like stick in your bag if you're running down to the creek or something like that, and you know your little furry friend is gonna get nasty and dirty. Maybe you need to stop and give him a little wash somewhere before he comes into the house. So this little packet would be great to take with you anywhere that you might be traveling and need some of that Best Bud Suds on hand. Also, you're gonna get a super fun little tennis ball that is branded with Scentsy Pets. So after your furry friend has suffered through that bath you have something to play a little fetch with. So this Woof box is a limited time offer. We are only offering it in the month of April. So if this is something that sounds fun to you, if you've used Scentsy pet products before and you want to get your hands on some more, just a reminder, we do not carry it in the catalog anymore. So ordering this Woof box in April is the only way you can get Scentsy pet products at this time. So that being said, if you want this, don't wait. Don't wait. Scentsy has not told us if they have a limited time or an excess amount of these, but I would guess it's a limited time because that is not a fragrance that they've had before, so they probably made all of that just for this special Woof box edition. My tongue is not wanting to speak the words today. Forgive me. All right, guys, if you want to order this Woof box, you can jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com and check it out there, or you can text me at 918-888-9690. You can ask me any questions about the products there, or just let me know that you want to place an order, and I'm happy to help you. As always, my name is Jami Jo. I'm here to make your nose happy and to help your furry friends smell just a little bit better.